Okay, it's no secret that at elementary Chinese, I don't like grammar, and I focus on the everyday Chinese you need to communicate what you want. If you are a very studious individual or you're learning for the HSK, this grammar book is solid. In fact, after pouring through it, it is the only grammar resource you need. My name's Kwadwo. I studied for the HSK, the Hanyu 水平考试. It's the standardized Mandarin test by the Chinese government. And at that time when I was studying in China, I did buy quite a few Chinese language grammar books, and I wish I had had this one right here. It really is that good. You know me and my Chinese journey right now. I care about learning everyday Chinese to connect with Chinese folks, but I do recognize that grammar is utterly important, and there is no other book, at least that I have found, with better, more thorough Chinese explanations than this one right here. The links for that book are in the descriptions below. You can go and look at Amazon.com and see what other reviewers thought. Let's hop into the book. Probably the most important feature of the Chinese Grammar Wiki is its focus on learner level. It relentlessly focuses on A1, A2, and B1 grammar points. This is how you're gonna understand how thorough 总是, right? And then it's an elementary vocabulary and grammar level. The structure would be subject plus 总是 plus verb, and then lots of examples. But these examples are useful. They're not some weird obscure thing that doesn't happen in day-to-day life. But of course, if you use 总是 with an adjective or an adverb, then it's gonna have a different structure, and he outlines that for you systematically so that you can learn. And then if you're looking for similar grammar, look, and it tells you where to go in the book. I don't like grammar, and thank God I already took all my Chinese classes way back years ago. But if I had to do it again, I would be buying this book to accompany my class so that I could become a grammar ninja, especially if I had to take, say, the HSK 4, 5, or 6. I'm gonna show you one more grammar point, but I'm not gonna read it because boring. You can just look at the picture screenshots, hit pause, and see just how thorough this grammar wiki really is. Like in my paid online group, people are always asking me, well, what's the difference between yao and xiang? Because both mean want. This grammar book best accompanies Chinese textbooks, and if you want to see a playlist of my favorite Chinese textbooks that I've reviewed, tap or click the screen up there. And if you want to see another video from me at elementary Chinese, tap or click the screen down there, because my name's Kwadwo, teaching you the everyday Chinese you need to communicate with Chinese people and make deeper connections. Good study, day up.